At the end of the last lecture, you'll notice that while we did get all of the A students that we needed to in this query here, we don't have them in any particular kind of order. Sure, we do have these first few here alphabetized, and technically these last two from our second period are alphabetized, but Brett alphabetically should come up here right after Amy, and he's currently not there. So even if I come over here and I alphabetize everybody in second period and I alphabetize everybody in first period, when I pull the data in here into the query, it's literally just pulling everybody who matches and meets the criteria one sheet at a time. So it pulls the first sheet, populates those people based on the values of the query that I specified with the where clause, and then it does the same for my grade averages second period. So I want to introduce you to a new keyword or key term that is going to help us sort this list of returned values alphabetically. And the key term is order by. So order by must always be followed by a column. So in this case, I'm going to say column 1 because column 1 contains the name of my students in each of my data sources for the query. And then following that, you can add either a DESC for descending or an ASC for ascending. So I'm going to put ASC for ascending, and now you'll notice that my query has sorted every single one of the students alphabetically by name in an ascending manner. So Alan, Amy, Brett, Cindy, Tina, Tony. You may be saying, well, wait a second, how do we know, I know I see that alphabetized, but how do I know that these values here, much like when I do a filter and sort with sheets normally, how do I know these values actually got sorted as well? We're going to talk about that in the next lecture when we add an additional sheet that's going to be our AB honor roll. So let's jump over there.